Hey everybody, welcome one more time. This is RV East Coast, and today we have a really amazing campground to share with you. What is this place, girls?
Chincoteague Island, KOA!
This place is amazing, really close to the beach. What beach are we close to?
We're right near Chincoteague Island National Seashore.
This place has an amazing water park. And the best part, we are gonna give you a free weekend at this campground. So let's get started right now.
We are traveling around the east coast of the United States,
Finding the best places to visit or vacation with your RV.
We are weekend warriors, and this is RV East Coast.
There's something about to change. We're standing at the border where history is made. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get...
Hey, welcome back. My name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn, and these are our two kids, and of course we made some friends while we were at KOA.
Yeah, a lot of friendly people in this campground. In this video, we are gonna tell you everything about it. Connie, the manager of this campground, is gonna tell us all the features, everything that is to do here at the campground. And after that, Fawn and I will be coming back to tell you all of the fun activities we did in the area, the things that we like about this place. Make sure you watch this video until the end because we're gonna give you a free weekend here, right?
Right, and you don't want to miss it.
Yeah, so...
And you don't want to miss it.
Right, so let's get the kids to the playground and then we'll tell you everything about this place.
We were only at this campground for about 3 days, but we packed a lot into our 3 days. We hit up the beach, we hit up 2 different museums, NASA and the Chincoteague Island.
Yeah, we went kayaking by the ocean.
We spent the day at the water park.
Yeah, this campground has a really amazing water park and you're gonna love it.
Yeah. And of course, at the facility, there's tons of amenities here. So before we, tell you a little bit more about what we loved, we're gonna let Connie Davis, the general manager, tell you all about KOA.
Hi, my name is Connie Davis, and I'm the general manager of Chincoteague Island KOA. We're located on Chincoteague Island on the eastern shore of Virginia. We're about a mile from the Chincoteague National Wildlife Refuge. What I love about our campground is that we have so many different ways to stay. We have 373 sites here on our property. We have full hookup sites, we have full hookup pull-through sites, deluxe patio sites, and extra long sites for those big rigs. We have primitive tent camping, which is back to basics. And then we have our deluxe cabins, which have all the bells and whistles. New to our campground this year is RV rentals. So if you're on the fence about RV camping, this is a try it before you buy it experience. The rental RVs that we have come fully outfitted with everything you need for your vacation. We have an outside patio with furniture, a grill, everything you need to get that camping experience. Being a KOA resort property, we have an abundance of amenities to offer you. We have a jump pillow. We have bike rental, kayak rentals. We have golf cart rentals. A complimentary trolley that will shuttle you to the seashore and to the downtown area. In addition to that, we have our swimming pool. We have brand new bathhouses that are fully air conditioned, and each bathhouse has their own laundry area. Adjacent to our property, is the island's premier attraction, Maui Jack's Waterpark. It's open to the public, but our KOA guests receive exclusive discounted passes. We have daily passes, 3-day passes, or you can buy a season pass. We value our armed forces, and as a thank you, we offer a 20% military discount. Thanks for coming along, and this is our beautiful property. We hope to see you here this season or next. If you want to know more about our campground, follow us at Chincoteague Island KOA, and we hope to see you soon.
Okay, so this is actually Eli's second time at this campground. It's my first, but you really love this campground.
I do love it here. Do you like it so far?
Yeah, I had a great time when we were here.
Yeah, the reason why this campground is so special is because if you go to the very first video in this YouTube channel, it's not very good. But it was the first time that we came here, just our daughter and I, and this is the place where we decided to convince Fawn to buy an RV, and so far no regrets, right?
Right.
Yeah, and now about this place, our site is right by the bay, and you know, in the evenings you have that beautiful view of the lighthouse. You have the ocean breeze. It's a great space. Lots of good neighbors here. We became friends with the neighbors next to us. We actually have plans to do something later, right?
Yeah.
And yesterday, the neighbor from across the street came with some of the food that they were cooking. They had a cookout and brought it to us. Also, the proximity to the parks, right? We are right next to Chincoteague.
Yeah, we actually did ride our bikes the one morning into Chincoteague Island, like park area, reserve area, and it was great. One thing you do not want to forget is bug spray, which we made that horrible mistake and are really suffering from that mistake now. But besides that, the bike ride was really lovely, and
it's
seeing
really
all the
enjoyable.
wildlife.
The wildlife, the wild horses, it was really great. The kids really loved it. So one of the things we love about this place, of course, the water park, because it's a main feature, it was really amazing, right?
It was. And I was a little skeptical at first because, you know, we have a 3-year-old, and I thought, how much can we possibly do at this water park? And it is a small water park, but we spent the whole day there, and we had so much fun.
Yeah, and they have a lot of activities for adults, for younger kids, and also like for our little one.
Yeah, there was a nice splash pad for kids, you know, probably like 6 and under. But the lazy river was where we spent a majority of our day, all of us. We loved it.
Another thing that we liked is that you can rent a little cabana if you want a little bit more of the VIP experience. You get this private cabana, and it was pretty well equipped, right?
Yeah, it had a waitress that you could ring a button and get food service. It also had a little cooler and a little safe right there that you could put your belongings, like your wallets and your keys and stuff. And it was nice and shaded, comfortable chairs. So it was definitely worth it if you're gonna spend the whole day there, to have that little space, especially on a hot day.
They also have a bar. They have a full menu, the things you can order, but they also have a bar, so you can have your adult beverage right there, and it was great. Something I learned too is that they do adults only nights, which is probably a lot of fun. So maybe you want to check their calendar before you book your stay here if you're traveling with no kids, because it'll be pretty amazing. This is, of course, a really beautiful campground, really well kept. Something that I personally like, it was very easy setup. We have one of the deluxe sites, and it had that concrete patio outside.
Yeah. This one was really nice because we had, there was patio furniture provided, and that was fantastic because we were here for just a couple days and then headed to another campground, so it really limited how much we had to unpack.
We didn't have to put our chairs out, nothing, it was just easy peasy. And it's amazing what a big difference having the proper patio furniture makes.
Yeah,
it's
as
like
opposed to a picnic table.
Yeah, it definitely raises the level of comfort. You really feel like you are I don't know, at the porch at your house. The little rocking chair was great. Have coffee in the morning, read your books. I really liked it.
So we have a great giveaway. We're giving away a free weekend at this campground, and you don't want to miss it. We had a blast, and if you have kids and you have a family, or if you're single, you're going to have a blast here too.
So what do you have to do to win this giveaway? Let's break it into 3 steps. What's the first one?
First one is like Chincoteague KOA Facebook page, and ours would be great too.
Yeah, and then number 2, you want to share this video in your Facebook page. Make sure you make it public so we can see it and your friends can see it. But it's very important that you tag RV East Coast, so we get the notification and we know that you shared the video.
Yep. And number 3, you want to subscribe to our channel. And we have a lot more giveaways, so make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel, drop us a comment if you want.
Yeah, as Fawn said, we have quite a few giveaways planned, really amazing campgrounds. We're gonna be giving away more free weekends, so you wanna be around for that. Yeah. I think that's gonna do it for today.
I think so.
So my name is Eli.
And I'm Fawn.
And we will see you in the next one.